Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to stop apps to access your personal information. So in this video I am going to share with you how you can give access particular apps to get your personal information, or permanently how you can stop that. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I have to go on start menu, and then you will find here settings. Simply click over there and then new screen wrapper, which is Windows setting. In this section you have to choose this privacy. In the left side you have to find out account information. So if you click there, a right side the screen wrapper, which is account information. In this section, if you turn on, so maybe some apps can access your name, your picture, or etc. information. So if you want to permanently give them off, you can click this change section and you can off it. So in this case, all apps will be permanently they will kick out from your name, information, etc. things. So if you want to, maybe some cases you want to give particular apps, you can do so. Just simply turn on and then you will see here all apps list, and if in this list if you want to give particular apps to access your information, you can give so, and if you don't want, you can turn them off or on. So this is how you can stop or give particular apps to access your information. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.